Receiving the Clinician of the Year award to me is very meaningful because I've dedicated my career to working in PALTC settings. This actually marks the beginning of the 20th year of working in PALTC settings. So, being recognized from colleagues from AMDA and the foundation who are primarily medical professionals and from other disciplines, it means a lot that they recognize that what I'm doing is meaningful. I think it's important to recognize our clinician members because positive reinforcement is a really good motivator to continue doing good work. Clinician members usually are providing direct care services in some form on a day-to-day basis, and we all know during the pandemic, it was a very stressful time. We know that burnout is high, and so I think giving positive reinforcement is a helpful motivator to just highlight the good work that our peers are doing. Being the first psychologist to receive the Clinician of the Year award is probably the most meaningful part of this recognition for me, because I think back to just 4 years ago, this month actually, was when mandatory visitor restrictions were put in place to prevent the spread of COVID in nursing facilities. And what happened was a lot of mental health professionals were viewed as visitors rather than essential healthcare workers, and therefore were not allowed to see their patients in many cases. And in a lot of cases, I have colleagues who weren't able to see their patients for over 12 months. And so fast forward to today, receiving recognition from my medical peers suggests to me that at least, back then we had difficulty getting our foot in the door, but hopefully now we have a seat at the table, or at least a voice at the table. I would just like to say thank you so much for whoever nominated me, for whoever selected me. I really appreciate this. Is a very meaningful award for me. And then also, if anyone is interested in joining the Behavioral Health Advisory Committee, we would love for you to join. Please reach out and we can talk about the opportunity. Thanks.